So I started up on Mount Washington and did a live video up there. It's a cold day in Pittsburgh, but it's finally a sunny day. I feel like it's been about, 3 years since I've seen the sun. And I haven't done a live drive in a long time. We've been working on so many other things. And every time I do one of these drives, people accuse me of somehow doctoring the video that there's no traffic. I guess I just get lucky, but there's traffic today. So for those of you who are looking for traffic in a video through the Fort Pitt Tunnel, congratulations, you got your traffic. So, hey Mary Kay, what's up? Look at that butthole. Cut me off. Anyway, whoever said Pittsburgh drivers were nice? I don't know, I'm just kidding. So this is going to be a little bit of a long live drive because people always talk about how long the tunnel is, but I think in order to get the flavor of it, you gotta go through the whole thing. And as I said earlier, we got a little traffic. So tell me where you're watching from. Enjoy this video through the Fort Pitt Tunnel. I'm using my new iPhone 11 Pro Max Plus extended, whatever they call them nowadays. And I'm just loving this phone, by the way. The camera work is incredible. The picture is great. The pictures I take are mostly from the iPhone now, and they're wonderful. But so here we are in a little traffic, about to enter the Fort Pitt Tunnel. And obviously the goal is not to show you the tunnel, it's to show you the picture on the outside that everybody loves. And it'll take me a minute to get through, so stick with me. Hey Constance, thank you for watching from Maryland. And while we're traveling in my car through the tunnel here, why don't you tell me where you're watching from? We get people from all over the world watching Pittsburgh Beautiful. And while we're doing that, I'm going to take this opportunity to tell you about a couple things. First of all, listen to the Pittsburgh Beautiful podcast. We're now on iHeartRadio. I love that. I want to thank iHeart for that. There's a new iHeart radio station called American Buzzker Radio. It's indie music. It's incredible. I think you ought to go listen to that. It's live streaming. This is all free stuff. The Pittsburgh Beautiful app for your iPhone and your Android is free. And we're getting thousands of downloads and thousands of pictures submitted. So please go to our website. It's always pittsburghbeautiful.com. The app is free, and pick it up and play with it and tell us what you think and send us pictures. Subscribe to Pittsburgh Beautiful on Facebook. We need subscribers. It's 99 cents a month. It helps me to keep doing this stuff and bringing you great Pittsburgh stories, and that's what I love to do. I love to tell the stories of this town. And so if you go to Facebook, 99 cents a month, it's less than $12 a year. Just sign up and stick with it. We'll be bringing you some discounts and some all kinds of other special things soon, but I need your support, so I'm going to ask for that, please. Here we come. We're about at the end of the tunnel. Now, how fast did that go? That's great. I am the reason for the traffic. I am the reason. Here we come through the tunnel, and it's like a shining light. There you are. That's your city. That's your view. That's what we love. That's the money shot. I'm going to throw this up on YouTube for everybody to watch. But as you can see, it's cold in Pittsburgh, but it is beautiful. Whoever said Pittsburgh wasn't beautiful in the wintertime? It is. From snow yesterday, doing a little drone video, to beautiful sunny day here in Pittsburgh. Share this video, everybody. Tell them to stick with it through the tunnel just like I had to. Now I'm down on the Parkway, heading on the Parkway out east to Monroeville, where I live. Great little town, Monroeville. Absolutely love it. And I can't tell you all how much I love you, and I love this city. Hello, Illinois. And I love doing this. I mean, this is just, it's so much fun. I never get tired of doing this kind of stuff. And I wouldn't be able to do it if it wasn't for you guys and you guys who've subscribed. Please, I ask you, subscribe to the channel on Facebook, subscribe to us on YouTube, help us to continue to bring this great stuff. And if you have any ideas, email me at pittsburghbeautiful@gmail.com. The person I want to thank the most, though, is my loving wife, Lauren Klein, the Pittsburgh property diva. She is my shining light. She is my love. She has labored through this with me and supported me unbelievably through this entire venture, and I know it drives her crazy sometimes. So a shout out to my beautiful wife, Lauren. And I'm going to drive now because I need to do that. I don't want to cause an accident. I love all you guys. Share it everywhere. Follow Pittsburgh Beautiful, and thank you. Have a Pittsburgh Beautiful day.